All right, for today's lesson, what we're going to want to do is set up some tables. Values of powers of 2. So if I have 2 to the first, 2 to the second, 2 to the third, 2 to the fourth, 2 to the fifth, 2 to the sixth. I really don't need to go that far. 2 to the first, I think we all know is 2. 2 squared is 4. 2 cubed, we've done that quite often, is 8. And now notice they're doubling. They're doubling. I multiply that by 2 to get 2 to the fourth. So 2 to the fourth is going to be 16. 2 to the fifth is 2 times 16, or 16 plus 16, which is 32. And then 2 to the sixth is 64. 2 to the 0 is nice to know. That's 1. 2 to the negative 1. Well, 2 to the negative 1 is 1 over 2. 2 to the negative 2 is going to be 1 over 4. And 2 to the negative 3, that's going to be 1 over 8. We're also going to do powers of 3. So I want to know what 3 to the first is. 3 to the second. 3 to the third. 3 to the fourth. And I think that's as far as I'll need to go. 3 to the first is 3. 3 squared is 9. 3 cubed is 27. And if we look at this closely, 3 to the fourth is 3 squared times 3 squared. So 9 times 9 is going to give me 81. Or you can just use the calculator if you have one available. Let's see what 3 to the fourth is. 3 to the fourth is 81. 3 to the 0. Any number to the 0 power is going to kick out a 1. 3 to the negative 1. That's going to be 1/3. 3 to the negative 2. That's going to be 1/9. And notice I'm just writing it over the number to the right of 1. 3 to the negative third is going to be 1 over 27. So my powers of 2s, my powers of 3s. Now you think we do powers of 4s, but we don't need to, because the 2s took care of that. Why would I break something down to a power of 4 when I can already break it down to a power of 2 and have it be more simplified? So the next one I'm going to do is the powers of 5. So I'm going to do 5 to the 0, 5 to the first, 5 to the second, 5 to the third, and maybe 5 to the fourth. So 5 to the 0 power, that's going to give me a 1. 5 to the first power, that's just 5. 5 squared is 25. And then 5 times 25 is 125. And then 5 to the fourth, 5 to the fourth is going to give me 625. 5 to the negative 1 is going to be 1/5. 5 to the negative 2 is going to be 1/25. And 5 to the negative 3 is going to be 1 over 125. So you might want to have this table of powers of 2, powers of 3, and powers of 5 handy to do this next lesson.